Meaning of gender bender.
Gender bender.
Gender bender.
Gender bender.
Gender bender. Gender bender is a term that refers to individuals who experiment with or adopt non-traditional gender expressions or roles. This can include cross-dressing, transgenderism, androgyny, or any other deviation from conventional gender norms. The term is often associated with the LGBT community and has been used to describe various forms of gender identity and expression in popular culture, such as in music, film, and fashion. While some people may use gender bender in a derogatory manner, others see it as a celebration of individuality and a rejection of strict societal gender norms.